Seen out here earlier today, there was a situation where something happened. It was kind of insane, and well, needless to say, someone was walking in the park and they stepped on something they probably wouldn't have stepped on had it not been there. So this is the scene. This is the insanity, or the calm after the storm. It's still very much active. Park is still closed off to public. Certain parts of it anyways. There's no IEDs, that was. Someone pretty much got their leg blown off. Some say it's a firecracker, others says something else, but yeah, this is it. Pretty much still very active. The public is pretty much being told to stay away still. So yeah. We'll add from a different angle. Yeah. And you're here in Central Park.